This is a demonstration of the GeneralInfo app developed by Ronnie Gutertz. The app can be found in AppStore. Here is its icon. Let's open it. The first tab is RingToggle. This tab performs exactly like the mute switch. If your mute switch is broken, you can use this feature instead. Now the phone is in ring mode. You press to change it to silent mode. We turn off the phone and don't hear the lock sound because the silent mode is on. You can press it again to switch back to ring mode. The application has more tabs that show general information of the phone. This is the Memory tab. It shows memory and disk information. The next tab is Processor. It shows processor information. The next tab is Processes. It shows all running processes. The last tab, General, shows battery information, IP address, MAC address, phone name, and iOS version. Another important feature relates to the RingToggle tab. It is possible to define a shortcut to RingToggle tab to switch between silent and ring modes by one-click access on the application icon. To do that, let's open the settings. We select GeneralInfo. By default, the shortcut to RingToggle is turned off. Let's change it to on. One click on the GeneralInfo icon switches the phone into silent mode, just like the mute button does. Once the mode has changed, the application exits. Another click on the application icon and we switch the phone back to ring mode. If we want to see the GeneralInfo tabs, we have to cancel the RingToggle shortcut. The application works for iPhone, iPod Touch and iPad. It is available on AppStore for 99 cents. Go ahead and enjoy it. By the way, there's an application for jailbreaked phones that toggles between ring modes. It is called RingToggle and is available at Cydia.